Surprising fact. Here's a fact that might blow your mind. You actually have more bacterial cells living in your body than human cells. That means you're not just you. You're a whole community of tiny organisms working together. And biology helps us understand how this hidden world keeps us alive and healthy. Intro to all words ending in ology, O-L-O-G-Y. Now let's get started with our first word. What is biology? Did you know the tiniest cell in your body holds more secrets than a big supercomputer? Let's dig deeper into biology. It's a big word, isn't it? Don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly what it means and why it's super important for all of us. Part 1. What is biology? Biology is the study of life. If something is alive, biology wants to learn about it. Think about your dog or cat, the trees in your yard, the ants marching on the sidewalk, even the flowers in a vase. All of these are alive, and biology is the science that studies them. Biologists, the people who study biology, look at tiny parts of life called cells. Cells are so small that you can't see them without a microscope. Imagine cells like little Lego blocks. They are the building blocks of all living things. Your body is made up of trillions of cells, each one working like a tiny factory, keeping you alive. Biology also studies plants. Plants are amazing because they make their own food from sunlight in a process called photosynthesis. Without plants, we wouldn't have oxygen to breathe. And of course, biology studies animals. That includes fish in the ocean, birds in the sky, and people like you and me. So biology covers all life on Earth, from the tiniest germs to the biggest whales. Part 2. Why does biology matter? Now you might ask, why should I care about biology? Great question. Let's look at a few reasons. Medicine. Biology helps doctors understand how our bodies work. Without biology, we wouldn't have medicines to fight off sickness or knowledge about how to fix a broken bone. Biology even helps scientists make vaccines to protect us from diseases. Environment. Biology helps us understand nature and the environment. It explains why bees are important for flowers, why rainforests are special, and how animals depend on one another to survive. If we didn't know biology, we wouldn't know how to protect endangered animals or keep the earth healthy. Daily life. Biology is everywhere. When you eat breakfast, biology explains how your stomach digests food and gives you energy. When you run around outside, biology explains how your muscles and lungs help you move and breathe. Even when you sleep, biology is at work, helping your body rest and grow. Part 3, a surprising fact. Okay, here's something really wild. Did you know your body has more bacteria cells than human cells? That means you're actually a walking neighborhood for trillions of tiny creatures. Don't worry, most of these bacteria are friendly. They help you digest food and fight off bad germs. Without them, you couldn't live. Biology helps us understand this invisible world. Part 4, biology in action. Fun examples. Let's make biology come alive with a few examples. Plants and oxygen. When you take a deep breath, thank a plant. Plants exhale oxygen and you inhale it. Without biology, we wouldn't understand this life-giving teamwork between humans and plants. Animals in balance. Wolves in a forest might sound scary, but biology teaches us they keep deer populations from growing too big. If there are too many deer, plants disappear. If plants disappear, smaller animals suffer. Biology shows us how everything is connected like a giant web. Your body the machine. Imagine your body like a video game character with tons of systems. Your heart pumps blood, your lungs breathe air, your stomach digests food. Biology explains every one of these systems and how they keep you alive. Part 5. Why kids should love. Biology isn't just for grown-up scientists. Kids like you can be biologists too. You can watch ants carry crumbs, plant a seed and see it grow. Look at leaves and notice their shapes. Even use a simple magnifying glass to study bugs up close. Each of these is biology in action. And the more you explore, the more questions you'll ask, just like real scientists do. Part 6, the big picture. Biology helps us see that we're all part of something huge. Every person, animal, and plant is connected. If we take care of nature, nature takes care of us. If we respect animals, we protect biodiversity. That's a big word for all the different kinds of life. Biology also shows us that life is fragile but beautiful. One tiny change in nature can affect the whole planet. That's why scientists, teachers, and kids like you are important. Together, we can use biology to make the world a better place. Part 7, wrapping it all up. So let's review. Biology is the science of life. It studies cells, plants, animals, and everything in between. It matters for medicine, the environment, and our daily lives. It teaches us fun surprises, like the fact that we have more bacteria than human cells. And it invites kids and adults to explore the world with curiosity and wonder.